So what's been going on in 2024 till now? I haven't been posting any videos. The car's been sort of missing from Instagram also, but here we are. We got some new wheels. We have a wing. We have a second bucket seat. And all before Invasion. We also have some CarbonCultureUK painted front emblems, which typically you can't find, surprisingly. But these guys are really cool. Go check them out. You can get some black emblems. You can also get the black roundels along with the roundels in the back. So to give you a little bit more detail on the mods that are on the car, we have a Ridgeline ring spec wing with street spec risers. Then moving on, we have Apex ML-10T wheels, 19 by 11 in the rear, 19 by 9.5 in the front. We have Motorsport hardware, 75mm bullet nose stud conversion on the wheels. We also have a newly updated JQWerks steering wheel that we'll be getting after Invasion. What they do is they will be updating the hub itself, where it does support boot mode, MHD, and EcuTech controls. So all the complaints that I had of the wheel before are now being fixed with a update to this. They also added functionality to the knobs, so they do click up and down, side to side. So that is something in the near future that you will see on the channel. Next, we have AMX Performance Recaro Sportster CSs. These are imported from Poland, where they custom upholster the seats and ship them the way they are. We have brake house brackets to adapt the seats to the OEM sliders. While we keep OEM heat in the seats, you can customize that through AMX Performance. We have Carbonex US hardware for the wings. The ones that come with it are just silver, so we opted to make them look a little better with these titanium nuts and washers. Blackvue was also nice enough to send me a front and rear camera that I've been using all the time, along with the battery backup to record 24/7 whenever my car is being parked, so we can stay on top of if anybody is messing with the car or if we get in an accident. Now, that being said, I do have a video coming out of the Blackvue camera. It's been in the queue for editing, so I need to edit that and get that out for you guys this year. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get videos out in a timely manner, but hopefully I'll be doing better this year and you'll get a ton more videos from me. So what else has been going on? We've had invasions in LA, we've had invasion in Jersey, and now it is time for invasion of West Palm. So the car will be at Carbonex US at West Palm, and Gene will be there with the car. I'll be running his stuff, showing it off, so you'll get to see what it looks like on the car. I will be running around with Ken, along with Ben, with the camera that I'm using right now. So hopefully you like the quality. We'll be doing interviews throughout the day, so come by, say hi, try to get on the video, try to get on the vlog. But be sure to hit up Gene for all your Carbonex US products. And yeah, love to see you there. Thanks to Ben for helping us out here today, filming this. And hopefully you like this type of content. We will try to do more of this style, but we had good lighting, so I chose this spot. And we'll catch you soon.